Working on 3D character animation in Maya and got handed an SKL skeleton file. These contain rigging data essential for character animation workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to import and use these Maya skeleton files. If you frequently deal with unusual SKL file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. SKL files are skeleton files used in Autodesk Maya and related 3D animation software containing joint hierarchy data for character rigging. They define bone structure joint orientations, rotation limits, and IKFK chain configurations, enabling character animation through skeletal deformation of associated 3D mesh geometry. SKL files use Maya's skeleton data format, storing joint nodes with transform matrices, parent-child relationships, rotation order specifications, and joint limits. The format includes IK, handle definitions, constraint references, skin weight associations, and naming conventions following Maya's character rigging system specification. The application responsible for generating the SKL file is typically Autodesk Maya by Autodesk Inc. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows can show only the basics, so full technical review relies on proper 3D visualization apps. Open the menu by right-clicking your SKL file and choosing Open With. Try Autodesk Maya first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is essential for troubleshooting. If the SKL file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Your system failed to open the SKL file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, importing in Autodesk Maya. Open Autodesk Maya and use File then Import to load the SKL file. Maya creates the skeleton hierarchy in the scene with all joints properly positioned and oriented. The skeleton can then be used for binding to character mesh through skin weighting or for retargeting animation from motion capture data. Next, using with other 3D software. For other 3D applications like Blender 3ds, Max, or Cinema 4D, convert SKL files to FBX format using Maya as an intermediary. Import SKL into Maya, then export as FBX, which provides broad compatibility across 3D animation software, preserving the skeleton hierarchy and joint orientations. Finally, inspecting skeleton data. Open SKL files in a text editor if stored in Maya ASCII format to inspect joint definitions and hierarchy. This is useful for understanding skeleton structure, debugging rigging issues, or extracting specific joint data for custom rigging tools and animation pipeline scripts in production environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.